Hi guys, today's adventure, punta daw kami sa may skywalk. Kahit malamig na malamig, frost ng mga kahoy. See you! Dito lang sa malapit sa kanila guys, yung pupuntahan namin. Sa may Rothburg. Blue House.
Heute ist der Feuerwerksverkauf losgegangen und die Branche erwartet einen Rekord. Nicht so positiv gestimmt sind
Yung ano nila, medyo mataas-taas yun na braids.
zu 1000 Autos in Flammen aufgehen werden. So viele wie sonst.
Dito guys, pag dumaan ka sa may mga bahay-bahay, dapat ang speed mo ay medyo mabagal. Mabagal ang patakbo nila dito pag dumadaan sila sa mga may bahay-bahay.
Damit etwa 400.000 mehr als der US-Konkurrent Tesla. Insbesondere in Europa war der Tesla-Absatz zuletzt eingebrochen. Bei dem Brand mit Millionenschaden in einem Gebäudekomplex in Rheinhausen ist aber auch ein Mensch ums Leben
Walang init dito, hindi ko pa nakita yung araw.
Weil die Feuerwehrleute das Gebäude noch nicht betreten konnten, ist noch unklar, ob es sich um einen vermissten 64-Jährigen handelt.
Oh, Rothenburg Center.
I think she's a little mad because I said we weren't coming.
Why?
Huh?
No, because you... Yan, dito na guys, paakyat na kami sa bundok. Ay, ayun pala siya, oh, mataas yun, dun sa mataas. Yun, nakita nyo ba yun? Oo, dyan kami pupunta.
It's too fast.
Koala Kids World. Kami guys.
I go up turn.
Yeah, ayun.
See, there it is. There, high. See it?
Yeah. Ayan po yung high walk guys. Dito pa kami sa baba.
See, there's people standing there. Yeah, we turn around and go there.
Down?
Because down there you have to park.
Where we
I thought you could come up here and park, but you can't.
Then where we gonna park down? Then we come back again here? Uh-oh.
So that's your bus. That'll show you the hospital.
The hospital is going this way also.
Yeah.
Ayan. Guys. Here is the hospital. Oh. Hotels. That hotels also here. On the top of the mountain. Ganda naman dito guys. Oh, we can stop here. Hindi ka dito.
I turned around down here. So this is a hospital.
Oh. Hospital.
Hospital and rehab. No parking.
Hi. Diyan guys sa may bridge. Ayan. Fogging dito. Sama ko. Sama ko ang aking boyfriend. Pag-a-adventure tayo dito ngayon. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Saba tayo ngayon dyan, sa mataas na yan. Yan kami mag-walking. Kaya tara na, samahan nyo kami. Okay, enough. Done? Turn it off!
Actually, where the what for that? pellets.
Medyo foggy. Parang ulan. Ulan ng snow.
Skip set. Yeah. Let's slide by second.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ayan po yung braids guys, na pinaka mahaba.
Oh, it works.
Explore kami dito sa kanilang skywalk. Go, I take video here. Take a video for me, honey. Dito kami ngayon sa may skywalk nila. How many meters?
640.
640 meters guys. Kaya ayan, abang-abangan nyo. Thank you. Take picture. Nag-a-ice pala siya guys. Oh. Yung ignorante ba naman? Di ba? Yung mga ignorante ganyan. We come back later here?
Yep.
Okay, we gonna take picture.
We come back.
Yes, when we come back, we gonna take picture. Ay, ang ganda dito, guys. 640 meters.
Look how it wiggles.
Yeah, I know. It wiggles. I don't know if I can go up to the end.
We're going to the end.
Ah, nako.
If
And-
we had a sled, we could come down on the sled.
Okay. Then how about the height?
60 meter, I think.
60
60
meters from
in the air.
at the air. Yes. Ayan, di mo na makita yung yung bundok. Sa kabila niyan is bundok. Ayan na, may mga tao din doon. Ayan ang paligid dito, guys. Take a video for me, honey. Here. It's working already.
No. It's getting dizzy.
No.
Huh?
No, it's okay. Nice experience. Ay.
I'm walking across something like this. I must be crazy.
Keep
going.
Walk slowly. Don't make wigglies. Ganda naman dito. Dito lang talaga ako. Yun ang baba, guys. Hi. I don't want to sit down. I just want to see straight. This is better than the, you know that in China, the glass braids in China, that people when they are walking, they don't want to, they are crawling. Doon po sa baba ang, I don't want to sit down. See, it's frost. It frost siya, guys. It frost. Ayan po ang baba. Diyan po yung baba guys. So, somebody behind us or no? We are now. Nice experience. Ano siya? Malamig pero pinagpapawisan ako. Malamig pero pinagpapawisan. Ano lang, sanayan lang talaga sa lamig. While the people are there, they are not walking.
They're still walking up.
Huh? They are still walking up?
Yeah.
Oo.
You can tell it's a little slippery.
Huh? Yes. 60 feet.
See, just the people walking up there, you can feel it wiggle.
Huh? Yeah. Mga kabahay, I don't want to sit down. Yes, we're almost there. We're almost at the end. 9 euro. Nagbayad kami ng 9 euro dito para maglakad lang. Yes, we made it guys. Malapit na kami sa ano niya, sa dulo. $640 meters from the other mountain. Ayan. Uy. Diyan ang dulo niya guys. Yan ang aking fiancé. Because my friend in YouTube.
Tell me I already pooed my pants.
Huh?
Huh?
We made it, honey. They are walk so slow. Finally we're here. Nagbayad kami ng 9 euro para lang makapaglakad-lakad dito. I'm tired. Sit down, stare. We cannot see much the houses. What is on the bottom?
Huh?
What is on the end?
Nothing.
Nothing.
The end.
Oh. There's no way to go down on the car? Huh?
That's a long way down, though. Maybe.
Or we go from there, then we're gonna go slide like that.
You know, you tell we're going uphill.
Yeah. Yes, we made it. Balik naman kami mamaya. Oh, galing ding maglakad ng anak ko, kasama ko. It's warm.
Yeah.
Finally, we're here. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. What's that sound?
I don't know. You're pushing me.
Ay. Ayan. Dito na kami sa dulo, guys. Ayan yung linakad namin, oh.